assuming that you're searching for smooth love mixture cost expectations figure for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of smooth love Elixir SLP will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of smooth love Elixir SLP and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of smooth love mixture is $36 and SLP is presently positioned #313 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of smooth love mixture is 41,388, 111,890 with a market cap of $148,869,920. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 4.29% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Smooth love Elixir is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The SLP is down to nearly 41% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Smooth love Elixir Value Forecast adding machine. Our SLP forecast number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models investigate an immense range of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give an extensive expectation of smooth love mixture. Basically input your ideal time span and see the expected anticipated worth of smooth love mixture. Our number cruncher will create an extensive rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. We foresee future smooth love mixture cost expectations of conjecture by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of smooth love Elixir. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the SLP coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past cost, smooth love Elixir market cap, smooth love mixture volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Smooth love Elixir Value Forecast Synopsis. Smooth love Elixir SLP is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $0.89 continuously 2025. The typical extended cost for smooth love mixture in 2030 is supposed to be $467, with expected difference somewhere in the range of $454 and $155. The negative cost expectation for smooth love mixture SLP in 2040 is $0.47, with a possible high of $304. Smooth love Elixir is at present valued at $36 on the lookout. Smooth love Elixir Value Forecast 2024. The cost of smooth love mixture is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.51 in 2024. The smooth love Elixir cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.61 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.53 all through 2024. Smooth love Elixir Value Expectation 2025. The cost of smooth love Elixir is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.72 in 2025. The smooth love Elixir cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.89 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.75 all through 2025. SLP Value Gauge for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2026 the cost of smooth love mixture is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.08. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $129 with the typical exchanging cost of $112. Smooth love Elixir cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $152 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $187 with the typical estimate cost of $157. Smooth love mixture value forecast 2028. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of smooth love Elixir is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.11. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.265 with the typical worth of $0.29. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2029 the cost of smooth love Elixir is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.07. The smooth love mixture value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.0369 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0318 in USD. Smooth love Elixir value conjecture 2031. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of smooth love mixture is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.0636. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0788 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.659. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation 2032. The cost of one smooth love mixture is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $915 in 2032. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.13 with the typical cost of $948 all through 2032. Smooth love Elixir value expectation 2033. The cost of smooth love Elixir is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.1367 in 2033. The smooth love mixture cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.1610 with the typical cost of $1.145 all through 2033. Smooth love mixture value estimate 2040. The reception and genuine use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with common sense applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Smooth Love Elixir Cost Gauge for 2040, SLP is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $304 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of SLP coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $247, while the typical cost of the Smooth Love Elixir for 2040 is projected to be $264. SLP Value Gauge for 2050. Analyzing authentic execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of smooth love Elixir is supposed to reach at least value worth of $318. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $376 with the typical worth of $337. Smooth love Elixir value figure facts. How high can smooth cherish Elixir go? The typical cost of smooth love Elixir SLP could go to $953 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $0.219 mark. What is the smooth love mixture cost today? Today, smooth love Elixir SLP is exchanging at $1.36 with a market cap of $148,869,920,000. What amount will smooth cherish mixture be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, smooth love Elixir will have a base cost of $0.0265 and a greatest cost of $0.211 per SLP. Since smooth love Elixir is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth varies definitely.